Hello, this is JP Hrisoulas, the Cranky Old Bastard, with attempt number 2 on how to weld up a blade out of wire. This is my gas forge. It's running. Pan down here to what we're going to be working on. Let's see if I can get a little closer. And come on. A little bit more. There we go. This is the bundle of material. This is reclaimed material from a drain clearing snake. Yeah, it's recycled, but I know what it is. It's 1070 steel, because I called the manufacturer of said snake and asked him what the steel was. He said improved plowshare steel. Plowshare steel is about 1060. Improved plowshare steel is 1070. A very, very, very wonderfully easy to work steel, easy to heat treat, easy to temper. It's just a good steel, takes a very good edge, retains it for a decent amount of time. It's a good all-around steel. Now these shiny bits here, that is strips of stainless steel heat treating foil. It brings nothing to the table outside of color. It'll give some contrast. It is not heat treatable, but you will get some carbon migration into it during the welding process, so it doesn't remain dead soft. Now, a lot of people are going to say, you cannot weld stainless steel in an open fire like I do. It's impossible. Well, a gentleman by the name of Preston Sinyard and I came up with this technique back, around 1979, 1980. He's in Arab, Alabama. I don't know if he's still alive. Fine gentleman. And I hit on the same idea about the same time. So I'm giving him a shout out so he gets some of the credit that he deserves. Other than that, we're going to let this forge reheat. It's going to preheat. Then I'm going to weld it up. Here behind me, behind this, is the V-block. This is going to sit in here like this. And it's going to be hit with a hammer, and it's all going to weld those wires. 1070 is a great thing to weld because it sticks like glue. And when you use a proper flux, which you have to use when you're welding stainless, or else it will not stick. The secret's in the flux, you know, and a few other things. It will just weld up solid. Welding wire, rope, elevator cable, whatever you want to call it, is a great confidence builder when it comes to teaching how to forge weld. So I'm going to pause this for now, and the next scene you will see will be me fluxing the steel, and then that'll be going back into the fire. After that, we'll be starting to weld. I'll be back shortly. Thank you.